Hey guys, welcome to a brand new video. Today we're going to look at the JBL Charge 5. It is just released a week ago, so now we're going to try them out to see how the audio is. I'm really excited. Let me go through the spec very quickly for the speaker. £160, come in green, red, pink, blue, black and grey. IP67, waterproof, 20-hour playtime, audio output of 30 watts, built-in power bank, supported by Bluetooth 5.1. Quick starter guide, so charger, Bluetooth pairing, how to pair speaker, play audio, and you can connect to multiple devices. So you can connect the speaker to multiple devices and how to use the JBL app. So it's quite a good overview. The warranties, technical guide. So USB-A to USB-C for charging. Ooh, nice. The speaker look really nice, very light. So the speaker look really nice, especially the red 3D look. You have the stand, party boost, volume rockers on the both sides, power button and a Bluetooth in the middle. You have the pause and play. So it's actually look really nice and look different compared to the older JBLs, Charge 3 and the Charge 4. Quite bigger speaker. These feel really nice. USB-C for charging, USB-A intake for power bank. Even the logo on the sides, it looks so cool. So now we're gonna try the audio.
I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die, knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. I've been dreaming all night, bringing me some inspiration. Never meant to love no one, but baby, I saw you for a second and I'm happy that you came my way. Don't wanna waste no time without you ever brightening up my days. Never meant to fall so hard. Oh, love of mine, I don't wanna die, knowing that you're not beside me. Love of mine, love me for a while. This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I needed. Take me there, we can drive away. Oh yeah. This town's so lame, I'm feeling so wired. It's 4 a.m., I'm not even tired. We're in your car, we can drive away. Oh yeah, we're almost there. I'm loving this feeling of something new, just right what I need. rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing. You were my best friend, didn't care about the rules, good on the weekends. I'll be in fools, drifting to deep space. So brave and so stupid, just like the movies. I was gonna stay in the fight with you, just thinking we would do this until we couldn't do it. Each and every high, every night with you. You and me so clueless. We were just broken, shattered, singing along to nothing. All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my fields, spent too much time thinking, in the end you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Damn, I took a little time out. All of the snow in this winterland used to look so pretty, now making me moody. In the deep woods, alone with my fields, spent too much time thinking, in the end you'll be with me. Maybe I'm just getting it now. Damn, I took a little time out.
After listening to the Charge 5, I have to say Charge 5 have the much better audio comparing with the older JBL speakers. The bass sound much clearer. When you come to volumes, it's freaking amazing volume. 30 watts output, 150 pound is worth every penny in my opinion. The audio sound really amazing. There is no delay, no distortion with the audio to video. I love the speakers designs, the way they chrome the speakers. I really like the speaker. The audio is just amazing audio. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, like the video, leave the comments below, and I will see you guys on the next video. Bye bye.